Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and essential permissions so the system can dial on your behalf. Once logged in, upload your contact list as CSV or Excel and map required fields like name, phone, and any custom variables. Configure caller ID, select time zone restrictions, and enable Do Not Call filters so you avoid legal issues. This ensures your first runs are compliant. Now save the list and create a new campaign to begin dialing. Next, you choose a dialer mode: preview for control, progressive for steady pacing, predictive for volume, or power for balance, and pick why it fits your goals. Then set pacing controls: calls per agent, retry intervals, answer detection sensitivity, and maximum concurrent calls to protect quality. Add agent scripts, wrap-up codes, and disposition options so data is structured. Finally, connect or map fields to your CRM and test with a small sample to validate call routing and logging. When you launch, run a small pilot and watch live metrics. Connect rate, average handle time, drop rate, and agent status so you can react quickly. If you see high drops or low connects, pause and adjust pacing, retry rules, or answer detection sensitivity. Make sure to filter invalid numbers and refine filters. If problems persist, collect logs, note timestamps, and contact support. This evidence speeds resolution and ensures compliance. Once stable, scale up gradually while
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.